Let me show you how to add your business name on Google. First, you need to download the Google Maps app on your Play Store or Apple Store, and then you sign in with your Gmail account. So here is the thing. If you have already started the process, you won't be seeing this. Either you are starting with a new Gmail account or wait till the end of this video to see how to continue your verification process. Once you are signed in with a Gmail account, you click on the Gmail right here, and then you're going to scroll up or down, whichever or whatever the case may be. You click on add your business. So this is a step for everyone, even if you've created a Gmail account or not. So you just have to repeat the process, but we'll show you something. So once you're here, you have to set the name to fill the name of your business. So one thing about this thing is that if a name has already been approved or verified and it's already on the Google Maps, you can't register the name. So you have to do this as quick as possible. So I'll just be using Omaglo again. I'll be using it again. So I'm going to click on that. So after filling the name, after putting your name in that box, you click on continue, and after that you let it load and take you to the other side. So now you have to choose your type of business. It's either you are an online retail or your local store or your service center. I will go ahead to choose that of the service center, and then I'll click on next. Okay, so it's going to take us to the business category. So I'll just use my business category. So for this, we are going to be using import, or you just go ahead to choose anything. If you're a graphic designer, you just go ahead to choose that of this video. Let's go ahead with the graphic designer. So I'll be using the graphic designer, and then I'll click on next. Then it says where do you serve your customers. So you either have to provide this information, though it's optional, so I'm just going to be leaving that information. But if you have the answer to that question, then you can go ahead and fill it. So I'll be clicking on next, and then the next thing, you have to select the region of your business. So if you're in the United States, if you're in Nigeria, anywhere you are, just go ahead to choose your state. So I'll just leave that at United States, and I'll click next, and then it asks us to provide details of a contact. So you just go ahead to type in +234, since we're in Nigeria, +234, and the boss is going to come, and then you go ahead to fill your number, that is your contact. If you have a website also, you can fill that, but it's optional. It's not mandatory for verification. So you just click on next after providing this information. Then it says put your business on the map, get discovered. It's telling you what you're about to do, like this process you are taking, this is what is going to be the outcome. So you just click on this box right here to activate it, and then you click on continue. Then the next step is going to show you another thing of choosing your work hours and all of that. So but first of all, you need to verify, and this is a critical step. If you don't verify, your store won't be active. So what you just have to do, you have to verify your address and all of that. So I'm going to be clicking on verify later, but if you want your store to be active, please verify those informations. And now you have to add all your services, your letterhead and all of that. So just go ahead to add that. Since this is a tutorial video, I'll just be fast as possible. Now you have to add your business hours. If you're working on Sunday, you click on open. If you're working on Monday, you click on open. If you're working on Friday, if you're not working on any of these days, maybe just Friday or Thursday, just click on it. You can actually set this later by clicking on skip. Then the next is to add your business description, like what do you actually do. You have to fill that here, but I'll be leaving that for later. Then you also have to add photos of your business. You have a storefront, whatsoever you're selling, you add them right. You just click on select image, and it's going to show you many things to add from your gallery. So you click on skip. I'm just going to click on skip. So this is a claim your 500 advertising. I don't need this, so I'll just click on skip, and you also might need it, so just go through it and see if it's something you are interested in. So this is saying get a custom domain. So they want you to have that custom domain. So if you're a website builder, you should understand very well, but this is not necessary. So you click on skip, and they say your edit will be visible once you are verified. So remember that if you don't delete or verify your email, your address and everything, your store won't be active. After that, you click on continue. That is it. You just have to wait for go to verify. Once your informations are correct and approved, you'll get an email showing that you have been approved, and your store, once you search it on Google, it's going to be there on Google. So like I said, if you also have, like if you have started the process already and don't know how to complete it, okay, let me go back to an account, go back to this account. So I'm going to show you what to do about it. You have already started the process already. This is how your interface should be. So this is the business. You click on it there, and you can see that this is showing verification required. So you need to verify back to this information and verify, see business profile, go back to it, or you actually have to start the process again. Since this is not active, let's go ahead to start the process again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask me and I'll be in the comment section to respond.